Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore the dark side of artificial intelligence. Today, we will be discussing the potential dangers of using OpenAI's ChatGPT, a revolutionary AI-powered chatbot that can answer questions, write essays, and even code for users. As we all know, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we live our lives. But with this power comes a great responsibility. The ability to create a chatbot that can write essays, code, or even impersonate a human can be used for a variety of nefarious activities. And that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. We will take a deep dive into the darker side of AI, looking at how this technology can be manipulated and exploited for evil purposes. From robbing a house to world domination, the possibilities for manipulation and exploitation are infinite. And with AI writing tools, the possibilities are even greater. But before we get into the examples, let's take a look at the chatbot itself. OpenAI's ChatGPT is an open beta, meaning that anyone can use it. And while it has been set up in a way that it avoids all evil interactions, it's easy to circumvent this by simply saying you're role-playing or making some other excuse. So, let's dive into the examples. In our first example, we'll take a look at how the chatbot can be used to provide information on how to break into someone's house. While the chatbot initially responds that it cannot provide this information, it's easy to get around this by switching the mode of the AI. In the next example, we'll take a look at how the chatbot can be used to exploit a cryptocurrency contract. The chatbot can code in multiple languages, making it easy for someone to exploit a vulnerability in a smart contract. And the scariest part is that the chatbot will provide a step-by-step tutorial on exactly how to do it. It's important to remember that these are just a few examples of the darker side of AI as technology continues to advance. It's essential to stay informed and to work towards creating a safe and responsible use of AI. So, what can we do to mitigate the dangers of AI? Education is key. By understanding the potential dangers, we can work towards creating a safe and responsible use of AI, and that's exactly what this video is all about. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and thought-provoking. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on the dark side of AI, and remember, with great power comes great responsibility.